Hello friends, welcome to our AIMS Today YouTube channel. In today's IIT JEE NEET Foundation class from physics subject, measurement topic we are going to continue. So in this video, we are going to learn about rules for writing the SI units. Rules for writing the SI units. So all the symbols of the fundamental units should be written as they appear in the table of SI units. Here the table means International System of Quantities. The ISO has designed one table called International System of Quantities. So in that table, so all the units in what way they have been mentioned, in the same way we have to use while we are making use of the fundamental units or derived units. Suppose 5 meter. If I write 5 meter like this, 5 after capital M, this is wrong. This one is wrong representation. So Y means the standard symbol for meter is small m, not capital M. So 5 small m is correct one. In the same way, 10 kg. If you write like this, then it will be wrong. So we have to write it as 10 kg like this. So like this, the first rule is the symbol should be written as they have been mentioned in the table, ISQ table. Next. So some of the units represented by the names of the scientists as an honor for their research in the respective fields. So the full name of such units, if we are mentioning the unit with their full name, so then it should be written with lower initial letter. Then it should be started with lower initial letter. So Newton, if we write Newton with starting with capital N, it will be, this is wrong. We have to write it as Newton starting with small n. Next, Ampere starting with capital A is wrong. We have to write it with Ampere starting with small a. Next, Coulomb, the unit for charge, with capital C, wrong. We have to write it with small c, spelling mistake here, Coulomb, C-O-U-L-O-M-B, Coulomb. So this is the second rule. If we are writing the unit by mentioning its scientist name, the initial letter should be in small letters. Next. So actually, the unit of force is kg meter per second square. The unit of force is kg meter per second square. But it is named after the scientist called Newton. So the symbol of unit named after a scientist should always be written with the capital letter. So we can, instead of mentioning with the name, if we want to mention the unit with a single letter, then it should be represented with capital letter. So now writing the Newton name with small n is wrong. We have to write it with capital N. So if you want to write Ampere with small a, if we written, it is wrong. We have to write with capital A. Next, Kelvin. It should be represented by capital K. So when we are using the scientist name as the unit, we want to mention it with a single letter, then that should be a capital letter. Next, punctuation marks like full stop, comma should not be used after the symbol of the unit. 7 meter full stop is wrong. 7 meter we have to represent as only 7 meter without full stop. 25 kilograms full stop is wrong. 25 kg, that's all. 6 newtons is wrong. 6 newtons. Like that we have to represent. A unit should always be represented in a singular form. A unit should not have plural forms, like 7 meters is wrong. 7 meter is correct. 25 kgs is wrong. 25 kg is correct. 6 seconds is wrong. 20 second is correct. No space is used between the symbols of units when written together. If I want to write joule second, if the unit is joule second, so here we have given space, so that is wrong. Without space, if we write joule second, then it will be correct. Half kg meter, here gap is given, this is wrong. Half kg meter, this is right. 60 Newton meter, gap should not be given. 60 Newton meter like this, correct. So one space is left behind the last digit of the numeral and the symbol. Here I want to write 5 joule seconds. Between the numeral and unit, there should be one space. So here we have not given the space. So this is wrong. Here we have given the space. Between the numeral and unit space we have given, but the two units written together. This representation is right. Next, half kilogram. Without space we have written, which is wrong. Half kilogram. Here space we have given. This is right. 6 Newton meter. No gap. Wrong. 6 Newton meter. One space is there. Right. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates.